We'll guide you through how to delete files from Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll see a list of your files and folders. To delete a file, simply navigate to the file you want to remove. You can do this by scrolling through your list or using the search bar at the top to quickly find the file. Once you've located the file, click on it to select it. You'll notice the file is highlighted, indicating that it's selected. Now, look for the trash can icon, which is usually located at the top of the screen, and click on it. This action moves the file to the trash. Alternatively, you can right-click the file and select Remove from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind that deleting a file moves it to the trash, but it's not permanently deleted yet. To permanently delete it, go to the trash folder, which you can find on the left sidebar. Open the trash and you'll see all the files you've moved there. Click on the file you wish to permanently delete, then click on Delete Forever at the top. This will remove the file completely from your Google Drive. Remember, once you delete a file forever, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you really want to delete it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.